Guys, do you want to see a life-changing kitchen appliance? We're gonna sit at the feet of the master, the wizard, Liz Chevasou.
Because this has been, as my husband said, a life-changing kitchen appliance. I mostly use the pressure cook mode, the saute mode, the rice mode, and the slow cook mode. So if you want to, you can get rid of your rice cooker, you can get rid of your slow cooker, because it's all right here. Stainless steel, I throw this in the dishwasher, easy cleanup. There's your little rack to keep the food from being directly on the bottom to help prevent burning. And of course, the lid. Which locks into place. So when you're using the pressure cooker, you can change your settings. I'm gonna go back up to pressure cooking. I can change the time, I can change the pressure from medium high to low, I can change the delay if I don't want it to start until later on in the day, and I can turn on the warming function. One of the things that I found that is amazing about this is it has alarms. I made a mistake one day and I put the wrong amount of meat inside, and all of a sudden this alarm started going off and this big warning that said burn was across the screen. So sure enough, I stopped it, I opened it up, and the meat was burned, and I ruined the entire meal. I made a huge mistake. However, if I hadn't have known that, I would have been an hour or two later and then opened it up and not realized that my entire dinner was ruined. Let's turn this around. This is going to be venting steam a little bit while the pressure is burning, so when I'm starting it out, I always turn it away from my cabinets because I don't want moisture to build up underneath. There's also a quick release valve. A lot of recipes will call for a quick release so the pressure doesn't stay and continue to cook your food. You have to be extremely careful if you're going to use the quick release valve because you can burn yourself. So I like to take a towel and set it over this area, and then I'll push the button so this captures the steam instead of accidentally doing this and steaming my hand and burning my hand. I've absolutely loved this product. I've used it as a slow cooker. I make hard-boiled eggs all the time, which are incredibly easy to peel, way easier than doing it the standard method. And overall, I would definitely give it a 5 out of 5 stars.